How to use Street Central Car Insurance properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Street Central Car Insurance offers flexible coverage, but beginners often make mistakes that increase costs or reduce protection. Here's my honest review and tips for using it properly. Most people get this wrong. They don't compare coverage options. The surprising truth is that selecting the wrong coverage type can leave you underinsured. Review liability, collision, and comprehensive options carefully. Another common mistake is ignoring deductibles. Choosing a low deductible seems safer, but it can increase premiums unnecessarily. Balance deductible levels with your risk tolerance and budget. Many users also overlook add-ons like roadside assistance or rental coverage. Not including them can lead to unexpected expenses during emergencies. Finally, beginners often fail to update their policy after life changes. Moving, buying a new car, or adding drivers requires adjustments to ensure coverage remains adequate. In conclusion, using Street Central Car Insurance properly means comparing coverage, setting deductibles wisely, considering add-ons, and updating policies as needed. Avoiding these mistakes keeps you protected and avoids unnecessary costs.